YouTube. We got another video back to be in action. It's gonna rain in a few. Hopefully we can get some rain shots too. M340 here today. Thanks, man. Yeah, so M340 here today. Believe it or not, my lovely brother wants to go get some freaking cookies. So I was like, hey, let's go do a POV drive. So yeah. Guys, we're also close to 1,000, so please, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe if you like the content. I have my 23 M340X drive, all different modifications. I have mod lists and everything. I have videos. You can go and watch those things. And if you guys have any requests, put them in the comments themselves. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna take a nice POV. Go ahead and drive over, get some cookies. So take y'all along. Oh, let me show y'all the intake too. Also have a new Armor Speed intake. Oh, if anybody's allergies is kicking butt and they live in New York. But yeah, so that's the intake. They have different types if you guys are interested too. They have the full-on one that covers the whole entire side. This one just works for me. I'm just looking for the sound. So, but yeah, regular charge pipe, stock, turbo, downpipe, all that good stuff. But yeah, we got mad space in our car. But let me stop talking, jump in the car, start driving, all right? BBL Drizzy, BBL Drizzy, BBL Drizzy, BBL Drizzy. I actually don't know where I'm going, so let me get the address first. It says we're only 13 minutes away, so let's go ahead and we're gonna use BBS. We're gonna use BMW's GPS today. So we're sponsored by BMW. But anyway, I'm not gonna do any talking. I like to let everybody hear the car. What I actually might do is turn up the ambient lighting too, so you guys can see that, because I realized that was kind of weak in the last POV. So hold on, let me turn that up. BBL Drizzy. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. Let me show you guys so you guys can see. Interior lighting right here. Oh shit. So let's not reduce it for. Let's pick a different color though. I kind of like flamingo because it let's actually do blue, azure. So yeah, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and get driving. If you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe. talking about the BBL Drizzy stuff. How do y'all feel about two grown men? I didn't realize how old Drake and Kendrick Lamar actually were until I Googled it. I was like, damn, y'all too old to be doing this, to be honest. Aside from the great music that's come out of it, I'm just like, I don't know. It's just like two grown men fighting over nonsense for no reason. Am I getting off here? Might be. Gonna take it out of sport sprint because we're gonna be in residential areas, and yeah, don't need all that actionness going on right now. Yeah, I hope everybody's having a calm, cool day. In New York, the weather is getting freaking nice, so we're gonna be outside a little bit more, do some more driving, do some more YouTube videos. I'm trying to pump out a little bit more videos, get some content out there, so you guys can see it. But yeah. Bad boys, oh, what you gonna do? Oh, what you gonna do when they come for you? But the yo, if anybody ever watched Bad Boys 2, bro, if you haven't, go watch that, cause yeah, that movie is, what's it called? It's lit. Okay, I'm not actually turning on California Road. I'm turning up there. But yeah, guys, I tried to do this YouTube thing, but I handle some property. I work a lot. It's long hours, so I try my best to get what I can, and it's usually on the weekend too, so. This car can be loud when it needs to be, and when it's like, when you need it to be calm, it can be calm. Like, listen to that. When you like really get up there in the RPMs, you can hear how loud it is, but I'm cruising right now. So I'm trying to, you know, help, I want to talk to you guys a little bit more, so it's a little bit more personable, because I feel like kind of make the videos sometimes and I'm not talking directly to you guys. But I would like for you guys to think I'm a cool guy. I think so. If you guys ever see me around, say what's up. Regular guy. I am regular traffic. I just drive a M340. Cookies is dangerous at this time of night. I don't even know what flavor, like what the hell. Honestly, I might get something crazy. I'm such an old man. I also get oatmeal raisin. Only old people get oatmeal raisin, but I think I might get that. I don't know, something. Oatmeal raisin with some chocolate chip or some extra. I might get a bunch too, so I don't have to come back outside, because I don't need him texting me saying, hey, let's go get cookies again. Everybody else MIA. And if you guys are in the Yonkers, well, I don't even want to say Yonkers, but if you guys are in the Westchester area, PCNY No Limit is hosting a meet on May 19th. If I post it before that, but I'm sure I will. If you guys are there, pull up. It's a family day. Burgers, hot dogs, free. Yeah. Life is very funny though. Man, take every day as it's your life, because life's so short. Shorter than what we think it is. Oh, another good question for a lot of people. Yo, y'all want to get a house? Would you guys get a house, or would you get your dream car? You got to choose between one or the other. Which one are you guys doing? Also, any Benz guys come over and become a BMW guy, or vice versa? Because I feel like you have to enjoy Benz to really say that you're a Benz person. I don't know. That's just me though. Oh. We are here. I wish these people would hurry up. Do. Yeah, that thing looking clean though. Got some cookies. I don't know where these ugly people at, but just waiting on them. Decided not to look the best, but it is what it is. All right, outrageous chocolate chip, sugar, overstuffed Twix and Snickers, macadamia nut, cashew. And then all that freaking ice cream. Oh my god. Brownie monster.
I kind of want to try that one.
I might get.
Is it in a cookie? Yeah, it has to be.
And then they have the cookies and ice cream.
Oh no, I'm not going to.
Hot chocolate and ice cream. Imagine that. He needs to hurry up. It's pretty here though.
Oh shit.
Summer flavors. Pink sorbet. Dipping dots. Rum raisin. Why must the colored people be obnoxious, bro? Why? Who invited him? Nobody wants the M guys here. You gotta come with a loud ratchet music. This is why nobody wants us here. Nobody wants us here. You see this nonsense? The ghetto nonsense. See? But money team, because he got F80 money. See? Oh. Ew. The fake M, bro. My man got his license plates. Official.
That's very
Hey, oh, you tired? You wanted to stop for some cookies, huh?
He could have went straight home.
I regretted this shit as soon as I seen I had to get off the exit. I could have just kept going straight, bro.
I know. Yeah, let me see what cookies I'm gonna get.
Watch out, royalty.
What?
Royalty coming through, alright? Watch out.
He opening his own door, he royalty.
You see this?
Ladies first.
Your mother. Oh, now it's ladies first. Once you done made it through the door.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. Damn. Mad shit.
Getting in that car after a long day of work is not it.
I would think so. Bro, what?
That's a getting in.
Who's getting on? Brownie Monster, chocolate chip macadamia, and a lemon sorbet. Got mango sorbet. Man, hungry though.